Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold in IQ option. And it's quite simple. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we select here gold and make sure that you search right here for gold and select the uppermost one. Then from here, fill in the amount that you want to invest. So let's say, for example, I want to invest $5,000, so that is fine. Also invest for yourself how much leverage you want to use. Because with leverage, your profits or your losses are going very hard. So please do your research for that. But right now we want to buy some gold. So I want to buy 5,000 gold at this price. So we click now here on buy. And we just bought $5,000 gold. And let's say we want to take our profit or take our losses. Then we go here to this cross, click here on close all margin positions. And then we click here on this one. And right now we have our money back, but lost $4 on gold. So this is how you can trade in gold. And now the game starts because you want to buy low and you want to sell high. So this is how you can trade in gold on IQ option. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.